Okay, we're going to deal with this integration problem that has square roots. Okay, so first of all, I'm being asked to expand this square, this double bracket. Okay, so let's do this the way we know how. So I'll write it as 2 square root of x plus 3, 2 square root of x plus 3. Okay, so I've got 2 square root of x times 2 square root of x. I've got the 2 times 2 makes 4, and the square root of x times square root of x is x. Okay, then I've got 2 square root of x times 3, and the same again added together. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, so 12 root x. Okay, and 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so I've got 4x plus 12 root x plus 9. Now I need to evaluate this, the integral between 1 and 2. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, and I've got 4x plus 12 lots of x to the half, because square root of x is x to the half, plus 9 dx. Now remember, the answer is going to get written in a square box. So 4x integrated, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, so that gets me 2x squared. Now I'm going to add 1 to the power, so I'm going to have to write this all out, I think, to start it off. 12x to the 3 halves divided by 3 halves plus 9x between 1 and 2. Now let's simplify this. So I get 2x squared. Now I'm dividing by 3 halves, which is the same as timesing by 2/3. 2/3 of 12 is 8, so that's 8x to the 3 halves plus 9x, evaluated between 2 and 1. Okay, so let's write the solution up here. It's going to be in 2 brackets. Okay, when x is 2, I get 8. Now, 2 to the 3 halves. Okay, so that's 8 lots of 2 to the 3 halves. How shall I write that? Well, if I just write it as this for the time being, and I've got 9 times 2 is 18, and I do the same when x is 1, so I get 2 plus, well, 1 to the 3 halves is just 1, so that's plus 8, plus 9 times 1 is 9, so this is equal to 26 plus 8 lots of 2 to the 3 halves. Okay, and in this bracket I've got 19, so I'm taking away 19. Okay, so effectively I've got 7 plus 8 lots of 2 to the 3 halves. Okay. Okay. Now let's have a look at this 2 to the 3 halves. Let's give myself a little bit more room. Now, just as an aside for a moment, 2 to the 3 halves is equal to 2 to the 3 to the half, 2 cubed to the half. Okay, so that's the square root of 8, effectively, because 2 to the 3 is 8, 8 to the half is square root of 8. Now root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. So in other words, this is 7 plus 8 times 2 root 2, or 7 plus 16 root 2. So we've now written it in the format that they wanted, a plus b root 2, where a is 7 and b is 16.